Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Friends, we humans have not yet been able to cover more than 80% of the ocean. Think about what kind of creatures Allah Almighty has created in this part of the ocean that we do not yet know. In this video, I will tell you about some of these unique fish. Friends, see this fish. This is called parrotfish. It looks like a sack that is enclosed with a drawstring. This beautiful blue fish also comes in different colors. These fish are found in the Caribbean Sea and Atlantic Ocean and are also used by the locals for catching and eating. The colors on this fish, which resemble the shape of a parrot, look very beautiful. It is one of the unique fish in the world. Friends call this fish mouth brooder. These fish have their own offspring, and it is taking its own children in its mouth. You may be thinking that it is eating their children, but it is not. It immediately pulls its babies out of its mouth. This fish does this to protect its babies. This fish is taking care of its children. Like a fish-type jobfish lays its eggs in its own mouth. Friends, have you ever seen flying fish? This is called a flying fish. These fish live in warm water, are attached to the top of which they can fly. But these fish do not actually fly. It can only glide very far in the air, and it looks like it is flying. The longest flying fish has a record of 45 seconds. They travel in the air at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Friends call this unique fish Asian sheepset. It looks quite different, as you can see this fish living in the Pacific Ocean is quite large in size. It can grow up to 39 inches long. The thing is that before 2017, no one knew that these fish also live in the sea. That is, they were discovered only 4 years ago. These fish are found in Japan and China. If a Japanese driver, one such fish has befriended me. He is named Yuri. Friends, 2 years ago, the famous YouTuber was fishing in the Kiwi fishing sea. The waves were so strong that he had a fish in his hand that had never been seen before. The color of this fish was red and black, and her eyes were red. The strange thing was that the teeth of this fish were like. They kept the small fish in the water so that it would not die. After making pictures and videos, they released the fish back into the sea. Friends, a fish that looks like a rock is a poisonous fish in the world. It's called stonefish. It contains so much poison. It can kill a person in an hour. These fish swim very fast in the water. Another interesting thing is that this fish can survive for 24 hours without water. This fish, which looks like a rock, is very dangerous, and it is not easy to handle. Friends, the name of this fish is fan-tooth fish. This fish is very famous for its sharp teeth. These fish live in deep water. These fish can grow up to 6 inches long. The mouth is full of sharp teeth, but it does not bite anyone, and it is harmless. These fish survive by eating small fish. Friends, now I will introduce you to boxfish. The body of these unique fish looks like a box. Ducks are also raised above. They are mostly yellow. Another interesting thing is that they also release a poison from their body, which protects them from other fish. And finally, let's talk about a fish on which I've made a video. Such a fish is shaped like a human. The fish was spotted by a woman floating in a lake in Mao, a village in China. Eyes, nose, mouth all look like a human mouth. A video of this fish was also made. Some people say it's actually card fish, but in this video, the fish looks very different from the fish. However, this human-shaped fish is still a mystery. If you like the video, please like the video. To watch such interesting videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you keep receiving notifications of videos of this channel.